In this Google Calendar tutorial, we're not just scheduling a meeting. We're going to learn how to create a daily routine that repeats every day, helping you build habits and take control of your schedule using a method called time blocking. If you open your Google Calendar, you probably see a few appointments and meetings, but the rest of it is just a big, empty white space. That empty space can be stressful. It's where time disappears. What if you could use your calendar to build a perfect, productive day, every single day? This is often called time blocking. You're not just scheduling appointments with others, you're scheduling appointments with yourself for your health, your focus work, and your personal time. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a daily routine in Google Calendar using the powerful repeat or recurrence feature. So let's open the Google Calendar. You can open it on the phone using the app or a web browser. We will use the browser, but the same can apply to the phone. To get the most control, I highly recommend doing this on a computer, not your phone, as the settings are much easier to see. Open the browser and go to calendar.google.com. You can change the view from the top to day to be easier for you to schedule any task. Let's start with the very first part of your routine. For me, that's morning walk. I'm going to click on Monday at 7:30 a.m. to create a new event. A box pops up. I'll give it the title Morning Walk and set the time from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Now, here is the most important step. Right below the date and time, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Does Not Repeat. This is the magic button. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of options: daily, weekly, monthly, and more. If you want this event to happen every single day, including weekends, you'll select daily. If you want this to be just a workday routine, you can select every weekday, Monday to Friday. This is incredibly useful for building a work schedule. I'll choose daily. Once I've done that, I just click the blue Save button. And just like that, you'll see Morning Walk appear at 7:30 a.m. all the way into the future. You've just built your first habit into your schedule. Now, you just repeat this process for your entire day. You can create another repeating event from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. called Focus Work. Then, lunch from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. This is time blocking. By the end, your entire week is mapped out, and you've given every single hour a job. Now, I'm going to share my favorite tip to take this to the next level. Instead of cluttering your main calendar, you should create a separate calendar just for your routine. Here's why. This allows you to hide your ideal routine with one click, so you can see the reality of your day with all its meetings. On your computer, look at the left-hand side of your Google Calendar. Find the Other Calendars section and click the plus sign. From that menu, choose Create New Calendar. You can name this calendar something like Routine or Ideal Day. Give it a description and click Create Calendar. Now, when you go back to create your repeating events like Morning Walk, you'll see a field that shows your name, which is your default calendar. Click on that, and you can now select your new routine calendar instead. Do this for all your time blocks. The best part is, on the left side, you can now uncheck your routine calendar, and all those blocks will vanish, showing you the real-world appointments underneath. You can toggle your ideal day on and off to see how it compares to your actual day. And that's it. You now know how to create a daily routine in Google Calendar. We learned how to use the powerful repeat function to set up daily or weekday events. And we covered the pro tip of creating a separate, toggle-able routine calendar to manage your time blocks effectively. This is a simple change, but it can completely transform how you approach your day, moving you from being reactive to being intentional. I truly hope this guide helps you build a more structured and peaceful day. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And if you're interested in more productivity tips and Google Calendar guides, be sure to subscribe. Finally, I have a question for you. What is the first time block you are going to add to your new daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.